Well, today we're doing we're basically doing a stage build for it's a play event, and basically what we're doing here is we're creating 3 openings that the actors will come through, and then they'll have people see there's rooms on each side so that they can pull open these big doors. So it's a spaceship essentially, and so what we're building here is it's like a house worth of a spaceship with 3 openings, and so that's the main thing, but it's got lots of curves in it. We're going to put up the framework for it, but they're going to have people come in and put electronic paneling and make it look real sci-fi-esque. You know, it's going to be beautiful. I truly think so. I hope you get to see it. It's just great to be working out here and learning all of these things, these new skills is great. That's what brought me here, is that I love seeing things that I put together or being a part of putting together used, and so this is great. This is like 100% hits all the marks for me. I love it. I love the work. You know, when you're meeting with people and things don't come together perfectly, you got to figure it out on the fly, and that's what we did here, and I learned a lot from that, and so I love it.